Good afternoon, everybody. I, Dr. Devadatta Misra, on the eve of Holi, extend a warm welcome to one and all to the second day of ICPR-sponsored periodical lecture. I am quite privileged to extend gratitude to you all who are connected to virtual mode on behalf of JKBK Government College and the Department of Philosophy. Today is the second day of the periodical lecture. On this occasion, we have three illustrious speakers who will enlighten us by their high-level thinking. They are Professor Ganesh Prasad Das, former professor, PG Department of Philosophy, Utkal University, Professor Mohin Mohammad, current professor, GM University, School of Philosophy, and Professor Sachindra Rao, former associate professor, Ravenshaw University. The Indian culture is vast and rich. The culture believes that Jadjada charati shrestha saddate vitarojana sajat pramanam kurute lokastadanuvartante. That means what the wise people do, others follow it. Imply it in their life. Likewise, seminars, lectures helps us, and seminars, lectures by the learned people helps us enormously to gain new visions, new ideas, and also thereby we can widen our own knowledge area. Today's lecture consists of 3 different topics, but each one has its own importance for human society. The first topic is by Professor Ganesh Prasad Das on right course of action for social well-being, lessons from Bhagavad Gita. We all know Bhagavad Gita plays an important role in every human being's life. So the lessons from Gita has importance in life. The second topic is by Dr. Mohin Mohammad on tolerance from a Gandhian perspective. And the third one is by Professor Sachindra Rao on synthetic a priorization. Now, I thought the speech of these eminent speakers on these 3 relevant topics in the present scenario will have a greater impact in our personal life as well as social life, and will make our life more colorful. Thanking you. Now I switch over to our principal madam, Dr. Madhusmita Misra, to deliver her inaugural speech. Over to principal madam. Madam, voice down karo. Madam, apna voice down karo.
मैडम म्यूट कर दीजिए।
मैडम म्यूट कर दीजिए, ऑन करो।
मैडम कहूँ
हाँ हेला
ହେଲା
आज्ञा मैडम
अच्छा थैंक यू I'm extremely sorry for the delay caused. A very good afternoon to one and all, and I welcome you all to the second day of webinar organized by the Department of Philosophy, headed by Dr. Devadatta Misra. Yesterday, we had wonderful interactive sessions of different topics which have significance in our day-to-day life. In yesterday's deliberation, the role of critical thinking was highlighted. Though the word critical appears to be complicated and negatively by the general population, general people, but the philosophical analysis of the term signifies the ability to think clearly and rationally about what to do, how and when to do. This in turn helps in problem solving and making our life more meaningful. Today we are fortunate to have three distinguished speakers, as Devadatta has already told, Professor G.P. Das, Professor Mohin Mohammed, and Professor Sachindra Raula sir, who will enlighten us on three different dimensions of philosophy and human life. In the recent past, we have heard many national award winners returning the awards alleging against intolerance in our country. Some media called them the award Wapsi gang. Intolerance is observed in different socio-economic groups, among the haves and have-nots also. But we know that tolerance is a virtue of Sanatana Dharma, and therefore the topic chosen is very relevant to the present situation. The electronic mass media synthesize information and present the picture from their point of view in order to gain popularity, which affects everybody, and the young mass are confused the most and get affected by that. There are so many examples that has happened recently. This is a very good topic to make all aware of the fact so that they are with the system, but they don't get affected by it. For example, WhatsApp university messages need to be verified before spreading. That all of us also face several times, whether this is a fake news or a real news. In today's rat race, life has become extremely stressful as people are becoming more materialistic, self-centered, and increasing the expectation level very high. To add to it, once in a century, pandemic like COVID identified our lives or redefined it differently. This has increased challenge for the philosophers, psychologists, and many such social scientists in the ever cloud of things. Well-being in a coherent society deserves permanent importance, as it is ultimately linked to happiness and life satisfaction, leading to all-round development of the individual as well as the society at large. With the ever-burning topics, I am sure today's discussion will be much more interesting and fruitful, and people will enjoy. Being a holy day today, they will have a very good time, very good 2 hours with the philosophers and the students and the participants. Now I request Devadatta to continue the webinar session forward.
Thank you, ma'am. Now the time comes to introduce our first resource person of today's lecture. The first resource person of today is Professor Ganesh Prasad Das, former professor, PG Department of Philosophy, Utkal University, Bihar. He was my teacher at postgraduate level. Ganesh Prasad Das is a well-known figure all over the Indian Philosophical Society. He was doing PG in Utkal University, Bani Bihar, half a century back, and came out as a topper with University Gold Medal in 1970. He taught in the same department from 1984 and retired as a professor in 2005, 16 years back. He holds the honor of being the General President of All Odisha Philosophy Association and the General President of Indian Philosophical Congress. His book, Vedanta Paribhasa, an analytical study, is a notable contribution to analytic philosophy and history of philosophy, as Richard Oldham remarked. His book, for +2 students, Basics of Logic, is a valuable textbook. He combines the pursuit of philosophy with that of literature. His poems and essays pertaining to socio-cultural issues are widely admired by readers. His papers have been published in edited volumes at the regional, national, and international levels, but he has not published scores of his papers in his book form. Besides his contribution to the world of philosophy as a teacher, as a teacher, he is very student-friendly. His humorous nature towards the students made him popular among all his students till now. It's our privilege, and we are fortunate enough to have Professor Das with us as a resource person. He will deliver his speech on right course of action for social values, lessons from Bhagavad Gita. As we know, the Bhagavad Gita presents balanced life. It gives us the unique way of life which takes away all tensions and helps us to enjoy a happy life. In today's discussion, Professor Das will focus on the lessons that show the right course of action for social values, and I hope you all will enjoy it. Welcome, sir, and I request you to deliver your speech, please. Professor Ganesh Prasad Das.
Thank you, and holy greetings and all. Respected Principal, JKBK Government College, Dr. Srimati Madhusmita Mishra, dear Head of the Department of Philosophy, Dr. Srimati Devadatta Mishra, dear co-speakers, Professor Dr. Mohammed, Professor of Philosophy, Gangadhar Meher. Shubhani?
हाँ बे सुबिला
शुभी तो
आज्ञा
अच्छा ठीक अच्छे डॉक्टर सचिंद्र राउल formerly associate professor RDW, dear colleagues of this and other institutions, and my dear students. Introduction दबाबू जाए कि देवलता मो विषय बहुत किछ कहले धन्यवाद दे प्रशंसा कले प्रशंसा योग्य को नाम जाननी पदे दीपद कही ही था एत गुड़े कहया फल मुंड पर दायित्व गुड़ाक लेसी गला if I cannot come up to the adjectives showered on me, then that will carry an image of me. Anyway, I'll try to the mark and up to the task. Philosophy कौन एक सब बड़े प्रश्न है काली मध्य जो आलोचना चक्र होता से प्रश्न है सुबियार असुविधा होची की
सर आप वीडियोटा
हां
आपनकर ऑफ अछि
वीडियो ऑफ सेत्र किछ असुविधा नै तो कोन
हां ठीक अछि कोंतु सर कोंतु की साउंड हां
ऑन ऑन लगी
हां
ऑन ला
हां
है लगी
आज्ञा
सर झापसा देखा चल छाड़ देथिले अछि ठीक अछि तेबे फिलोसफी विषय रे विचारी जन को मत उद्धार करी किपरि सेगुड़ी को विभिन्न समय रे वक्तव्य हेइथिले मध्य परस्पर सहित किपरि संबंधित एवं वर्तमान परिस्थिति रे फिलोसफी कौन करि परिबो आमे फिलोसफी किपरि करि परिबु ए विषय रे किछ आलोकपात करियो बोली मोर आशा। राधाकृष्णन सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन तांकर इंडियन फिलोसफी वॉल्यूम 1 रो प्रारंभ रे ए पर लिखचती फॉर थिंकिंग एंड्स ब्लॉसम फॉर आर्ट्स एंड साइंसेस टू फ्लोरिश द फर्स्ट कंडीशन नेसेसरी is a settled society providing security and leisure. A rich culture is impossible with a community of nomads where people struggle for life and die of privation. तापर कहउछन भारत वर्षर स्थिति कथा Fate called India to a spot where nature was free with her gifts, every prospect was pleasing. एथुर जाना पड़िबो जेतबे सोसाइटी सेटल्ड अवस्था थिबो सेठी किछि समस्या नथिबो लोक माने खाइ पी आराम रे थिबे चिंतन मनन करे अवसर प्रचुर थिबो एवं सेते फिलोसफिकल रिफ्लेक्शन संभव होबो। जेतबे प्रथम क्लास में कोनसी ऑनर्स क्लास बा पीजी क्लास से मन को कहि दिए जदि तमर समय अछि एवं मन अछि तेबे जाई धीर सुस्थ भाव शुणिबो घड़ी न देखी समय केते हैला तार न मापी जदि बसी परियो बस काहे कि ना एनी रिफ्लेक्शन needs leisure and philosophy being about the infinite it needs infinite leisure এটা রাধাকৃষ্ণন কর মত কিন্তু ওয়েস্টার্ন কন্টেক্সট মত টিকে অলগা চেস্টার রোয়েল অগস্ট 1934 रे क्रॉनिकल नामक गोटे पत्रिका लिखिले सेते बेल को पाश्चात्य ध्वस्त विध्वस्त अवस्था समाज युद्ध परवर्ती अवस्था निहाती अनसर्टेनिटी पीरियड सेते बेले फिलोसफी हे परिबो ना ए प्रश्न मन भितर आसीबो विशेष करी राधाकृष्णन जो कोटेशन देली सेतु जाना पड़िबो जे अनसर्टेन सोसाइटी लोक खाया पीवा रहबा व्यस्त थिबो सेठी की फिलोसफी होबो किंतु चेस्टर रोवेल कहउछन एमती the times of certainty are also the times of stagnation. When we know what we think, we cease to think. When conditions of life are fixed, we merely tramp the treadmill in them. The great periods are the new ones when, because everything is undone, everything has to be done. Our misfortune is not that we are thrust into a time when thinking must be done, but that we do not do it. Many of us still imagine that we are living in the world that died forever on 1st August 1914. First World War is Narmisla. Recent events are shaking us out of that illusion. The process is painful, but it may be salutary. It challenges us to think new thoughts. The first and the hardest step in that process is to unthink the old ones, is to unthink or perhaps for some of us, if at all, this is no time for the slothful or the lazy. ଏଠି ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ଯେତେବେଳେ ପିରିୟଡ଼ ଅଫ୍ ଅନସର୍ଟେନିଟି ଥିବ ସେତିକି ହିଁ ରିଫ୍ଲେକ୍ସନ୍ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ କାହିଁକି ନା ଯେ ଅନସର୍ଟେନିଟିର କାରଣ କେତେବେଳେ ଓଲ୍ଡ ହ୍ୟାଗର ଥଟ୍ ହେଇପାରେ ଯୋଉଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଅପସରି ନ ଗଲେ ନୂଆ ଥଟ୍ ସେ ଜାଗା ଅଧିକାର କରିବନି କି ନୂଆ ରାହା ଦିଶିବନି କି କିଛି ଉନ୍ନତି ଆଖି ଆଗକୁ ଆସିବ ନାହିଁ ଦୁଇଟା କଣ୍ଟେକ୍ସଟ ମିଶେଇ ଦେଲେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଭାରତର ଯୋଉ ଅବସ୍ଥା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପୃଥିବୀର ଯୋଉ ଅବସ୍ଥା ସେଟା କ'ଣ state of certainty ନା state of uncertainty ବୋଧହୁଏ ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଉଭୟ ପ୍ରକାରର ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ତେଣୁକରି ଏଠି on any point of view from the point of view of Radhakrishnan or from the point of view of Royal from the Indian point of view or from the Western point of view philosophy is to be done it must be done Russellଙ୍କର philosophy लॉजिकल एटॉमिज्म 1917 रे गॉर्डन स्क्वायर रे लेक्चर कर दिया जायतिला सेठु गोटे पद उद्धार करबी या सहित ताल नब एवं से देखियो प्रकृति रे आमे कोन चिंता करू चिंतन करू चिंता तो बहुत करू चिंतायामि अतः अस्मि चिंता हॉलिडे जवा नाही डेकार्ट के मतरे इफ यू सीज टू थिंक वी सीज टू बी चिंता कथा पड़ी चिंतन कथा पड़ी आम चिंतन करू ना करू नहीं चाहती जे आम 6 मास मिनिट 2 मिनिट चिंता करूनी चिंतन करूनी the subject matter that you are supposed to be thinking of is so exceedingly difficult and elusive that any person who ever tried to think about it knows you do not think about it except perhaps once in 6 months for half a minute. Other verse other minute. The rest of the time you think about the symbols because they are tangible, but the thing you are supposed to be thinking about is fearfully difficult and one does not often manage to think about it. The really good philosopher is the one who does once in 6 months think about it for a minute. Bad philosophers never do. ये रसंग होता ये सब फिजिकल थिंकर हो वेस्टर्न फिलोसॉफिकल थिंकर हो दिस अबाउट फिलोसफी फॉर पेरिनियल फिलोसफी फिलोसफी एज प्रैक्टिस हियर देयर एंड एवरीवेयर आउ जन को कोट करबी स्टॉसन इंडिविजुअल से कहले if there are no new truths to be discovered there are old truths to be rediscovered. No philosopher understands his predecessors until he has rethought their thought in his own contemporary terms, and it is characteristic of the very greatest philosophers like Kant and Aristotle that they, more than any others, repay this effort of rethinking. जो अंतर्भुक्त ही पारंती एथिरे बुद्धदेव अंतर्भुक्त ही पारंती एथिरे रामानुज अंतर्भुक्त ही पारंती एथिरे अन्य जो बड़ बड़ फिलोसफर अच्छा जे कोन कंट्री से अंतर्भुक्त ही पारंती जदि नुआ कथा किछ कहया को नाही तार पुराना कथा को नुआ ढंगरे कहबार अछि एबे हमर इंडियन ट्रेडिशन ने मध्य जयंत भट्ट कथा कहिसंती कुतोबा नूतन वस्तु वयं उत्प्रेक्षितुं क्षमः वाचो विन्यास वैचित्र मात्रम अत्र विचार्यताम ये फिलोसफी नुआ डिस्कवरी किसी हुए नहीं साइंस रे डिस्कवरी हुए किंतु फिलोसफी नुआ डिस्कवरी करे कुछ नहीं एठी केवल पुराना जिनिस को नुआ ढंग रे उपस्थापन करबा नुआ पॉइंट दबा नुआ पर्सपेक्टिव दबा नुआ जहाँ कहते जर्मन रे वेल्टांसचों दबा एटा होछि फिलोसफी रो काम so from this point of view philosophy is a perennial activity philosophy is the reflective activity concerned with concepts and principles which are the most general and the most abstract. Can clarify kale 20th century philosophy, the philosophy is an activity. An activity of clarification. এবং এই যে এর মধ্যে কইলে যে লাইট the philosophy is different from the sciences in respect of subject matter and method both. it ଦେଖିବା ଯେ ମଣିଷ ସମାଜ ତାକୁ ନେଇକିରି ଯୋଉ ୱିଲଟନ୍ସଙ୍କ କଥା କହିଲି, ଯୋଉ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିଭଙ୍ଗୀ କଥା କହିଲି, ସେଟା କିପରି ଫର୍ମ ହୁଏ ଏବଂ ସେପରି ଗୋଟେ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିଭଙ୍ଗୀ ଫର୍ମ ହେଲେ ମଣିଷଟିର ଆକ୍ସନ ଆଣ୍ଡ ବିହେଭିୟର କ'ଣ ହୁଏ। ମନେ ଥିବା ଆମର କଲିଗ ମାନେ ପ୍ରଫେସର ଗଣେଶ ମିଶ୍ରଙ୍କର କନଫ୍ଲିକ୍ଟିଂ ମେଥଡୋଲଜିକାଲ ମଡେଲ୍ସ ଆର୍ଟିକଲ ଭିତରେ ସେଠି ପ୍ରଫେସର ଗଣେଶ ମିଶ୍ର କନସେପ୍ଟ ଅଫ ପର୍ସନର ତିନୋଟି ମଡେଲ ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି। ଗୋଟିଏ ମଡେଲ ହେଉଛି ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ସ୍ପିରିଟ୍, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ମଡେଲ ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ମ୍ୟାଟର, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ମଡେଲ ହେଉଛି ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ପର୍ସନ। ଯଦି ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ସ୍ପିରିଟ୍ ବୋଲି ଧରି ନେବା ତାହେଲେ କ'ଣ ହେବ, ସେଥିରୁ ଫଲୋ କରିବ ଗୋଟେ ଏସେଟିକ୍ ସୋସାଇଟି and there will be aversion to life and society. ପନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ସୃଷ୍ଟି ହେବେ, ବାବାଜୀ ସନ୍ନ୍ୟାସୀ ହବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବେ ସଂସାରରେ ମଜ୍ଜି ନ ରହି, ସଂସାରର କୌଣସି ଉନ୍ନତି ବିଧାନ ନ କରି, ପରିବାରର ଉନ୍ନତି ବିଧାନ ନ କରି, ପରିବାର ଏବଂ ସମାଜର ସଂଗଠନ ସେମାନେ away from society ରହିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହିଁବେ। ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି concept of a person, concept of man as spirit. ଅନ୍ୟ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା କଣ man as matter।
सर वॉइस टा कहीं क्लियर आसुनी।
इंडियन मेटलिज्म कौन होची
ଟିକେ ମାନେ କहीं ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଶୁଭୁନି। सर ଟିକେ ଆଉ ପାଖକୁ ଦେଖିଆ କହିଲେ ଭଏସ ଟା କहीं କ୍ଲିयर ଆସୁନି।
डिस्टर्ब होची
हां
तम वॉइस की सुन ब्रेक करियो।
हां सर
तम ब्रेक करियो छी
अपन वॉइस टा माने ये होची भांगी भांगी गला
କିଛି ଜଣାପଡୁନି।
ପାଖକୁ ଟିକେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ବି ଶୁଭିବ। ହଁ ସର କୁହନ୍ତୁ ସର, ହଁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖିଆ।
ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ରହ, ଦେଖୁଛି କଣ କରିବ, ଦେଖୁଛି ରହ ଟିକେ 10 ମିନିଟ୍ 10 ମିନିଟ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ଟାଇମ୍। ବଡ଼ ଅସୁବିଧା। ଟିକେ ଦେବ 10 ମିନିଟ୍ ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରୁଛି।
सर
ZKH YW NW CPM କାଲି ଯୋଉଟା ଥିଲା ସେଇଟା ତ, ସେଇ କୋଡଟା ତ?
हाँ हाँ ସେଇ କୋଡଟା।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଓ
ହେଲା सर
ହେଲେ କି
ହେଲା କି
ଯୋଉଟା ହେଲା
हाँ हाँ
ହେଲା
आज्ञा आज्ञा
ହଉଛି ତ?
हाँ सुविधा
ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ବାପସ କରୁଛି।
ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଏଇଟାକୁ ଅଫ୍ କରି କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟରଟା ଅଫ୍ କରିଦେଉଛି ଆଉ।
आज्ञा
ଠିକ ଅଛି ନା? ହେଲା ହେଲା
କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା
हाँ
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ମୋବାଇଲ କରୁଛି ଦେଖିବି।
हाँ सर କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
हम कहूली जे जदि सेकेंड मॉडल मनुष्य को नबा मैटर ताहले जमती इंडियन मेटलिज्म रे चार पाखे हो वेस्टर्न फॉर्म ऑफ मेटलिज्म हो माइंड इज रिड्यूस टू मैटर माइंड इज
सर नमस्कार सर
हाँ नमस्कार
सर गणेश्वर मिश्र तीनटा मॉडल आउ थ्री टिके कहिदेबे गणेश्वर मिश्र तीनटा मॉडल सर आउ थ्री टिके कहिदेबे सुबु नथिला
ना बर्तन सुबुछ ना नहीं बर्तन सुबुछ तो
एबे बढ़िया सुबिला आपण से कान जेटा लगेइथिले एटा बोते डिस्टर्ब करथल
सेटा यूज करथल सेही मॉडल अच्छा गणेश्वर मिश्र को मॉडल अनुसार मुझे कहना चाहिए जे मनीष को तीनोटी भाव गोटे स्पिरिट भाव माइंड टा केवल गोटे तार अटैचमेंट गोटे सब्सिडियरी किंतु इन एसेंस इज ए स्पिरिट ताहले तार प्रभाव कौन हम जे मैन वुड बी अवर्स टू लाइफ एंड सोसाइटी society. He would seek to lead a sannyasa form of life. So that is the impact of the model of man being a spirit. The second model is that man is nothing but matter. Mind that he is said to have is just an epiphenomenon. It grows out of matter. यदि एपरी भाव ग्रहण करा जाए ताहले सेठी कौन हम ही विल बी ट्रीटेड लाइक मैटर ही वुड बी जस्ट मेड टू वर्क एट एनी कॉस्ट इन एनी सिचुएशन स्लावेरी एपरी सोसाइटी रे स्लावेरी बढ़िबो सेठी इनह्यूमानिटी बढ़िबो ए धरण गोटे कोठी किछि के दोष कले ताकू नेकी कंसंट्रेशन कैंप रे भर्ती करा जिवो सेठी चाबुक मार दिया जिवो एवं अन्य दंड दिया जिवो गोटे जेपरी गाई बळद को पिटला भलिया किछि ताकू काम करिला भलिया सेही धरण दशा हबो जदि मनुष्य को गोटे लंप ऑफ मैटर भावर निया जाए ये दीटा मॉडल रो एपरी जो दुष्प्रभाव इटा देखिकरी गणेश मिश्र थर्ड मॉडल टाकू प्रिफर करछंती थर्ड मॉडल ले मैन इज जस्ट ए पर्सन ये जो स्ट्रॉसन को इंडिविजुअल में कोटेशन देइतली स्ट्रॉसन को इंडिविजुअल ले अल्टीमेटली रियलिटी कोन बोली कहया चाहछंती मेटल ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड पर्सन्स आर अल्टीमेटली द ऑन्टोलॉजिकल रियलिटी द अल्टीमेट रियलिटी तेनकर सेही मॉडल तो गणेश मिश्र नेइकरी पर्सन्स आर दोज बीइंग्स टू whom both metal objects and person predicates are assigned. एपरी हेले गोटे सुसंजत सोसाइटी प्रतिष्ठा हम जोटि कि मनुष्य को मनुष्य भाव ट्रीट कर मनुष्य को गोटे मैटर सहित गोटे इतर पशु भली व्यवहार करा तेरे ये मोर कह तीनटा मॉडल देले तीनटा मॉडल तो आम पढ़ला बेले ठीक है ग्रहण कर भल कथाटे भाई किंतु सेकेंड थॉट रे भाविली एवं तापर मु लिखिथिली मत गोटे गोटे आर्टिकल अछि मोर भाविली कि ए जो मॉडल एवं तार इंपैक्ट एटा की प्रकार इंपैक्ट एटा गोटे मॉडल रो ए जो इंपैक्ट होउची बोली सर कहउचंती से देखन तार गोटे नेसेसरी इंपैक्ट कहा की हबो आ किछ हबनी काहे कि अन्य थाई पारे जोटी जो सोसाइटी मनुष्य को स्पिरिट भाव में नबा सेठी आभर्सन टू लाइफ एंड सोसाइटी न रही गोटे यूनिवर्सल ब्रदरहुड ऑफ मैन रही पारे सोशल कोहेसन रही पारे भाई भाई भली परस्पर को देखिकी सामाजिक संहति देखा दे पारे तो आमिटी कोएक्जिस्टेंस नेशनल इंटीग्रिटी से सोसाइटी संभव कहीं राधाकृष्णन इंडियन फिलोसफी बही रे एपरी गोटे सूचना इंडियन आइडियोलॉजी बही रे सेपरी गोटे सूचना अच्छी वेदांतिक फिलोसफी रु एपरी एक सोसाइटी फॉलो कर संभावना बेसी तेणुक इंपैक्ट एपरी हो पारे इंपैक्ट सेपरी पारे सेमती मनुष्य को जब मैटर भाव में बुझा जेपरी बर्तमान सचराचर आम बुझे मनुष्य तो गोटे मेसीन हो बर्तमान देखा गले कंप्यूटर एवं कंप्यूटर रिलेटेड ऑब्जेक्ट गुड़िक जेपरी भाव में आम व्यवहार कर आमको व्यवहार कर बर्तमान देखिले केमती लैपटॉप फेल कला गोटे पुणी मोबाइल टे धरली ये दु तीन घंटा हो गोटे फेल कले आउ गोटे धरबी ना जोगाजोग हो पारे कि बर्तमान जो उद्देश्य नहीं कम करते कम हो पारे तेरे मेसीन आमको नियंत्रण करयंत्रण कर सन्देह बेले बेले आम हो मेसीन कविता लिखुची मेसीन लव कर मेसीन भी प्रोक्रिएट कर कहगलानी नाना कथा तेणुक जब मनुष्य को मेसीन भाव में भावु तार इंपैक्ट एपरी हो पारे we may be more punctual, we may be more sincere, we may be more accurate. Clock like accuracy कथा कहा जाए. We might be accurate like clocks. We might be our activities might be zero error activities. तेणुकरी मैटर भाव भाविले इंपैक्ट एपरी हमार संभावना अच्छी सेमती यदि पर्सन भाव मॉडल को मैन इज ए पर्सन with both material object feature and animal feature or manly feature ताले सेठी कोन हबो सोसाइटी रे ऑनेस्ट पर्सन रहिबे डिजनेस्ट पर्सन रहिबे सिंसियर पर्सन रहिबे चिट्स रहिबे अत्यंत रहिबे तक अस्वीकार कर जे परियोनी किंतु असुविधा हबो जे आउ कोनसी इंप्रूवमेंट संभावना रहबनी यू एक्सेप्ट द सोसाइटी आज इज व्हाट इज बेसिस जमती जिनस पत्र सब नीलाम हुए आज इज व्हेयर इज बेसिस रे सेमती बर्तमान सोसाइटी न पड़ो आज इज व्हाट इज तेणुक मुझे कहूँ चाहिए कि ये जो तीन मॉडल आम नौचे तीन मॉडल ठीक अच्छी यूज करने तार इंपैक्ट निर्भर करे एपरी हो पारे ये गोटे जिनस आम जस्ट कथबार्ता हो गीता को जाइने पर्यंत गीता विषय कहवा कि सब विचार्य विषय अच्छा तापर वर्तमान कहीं 10-50 वर्ष है लक्ष्य करगु भी पारे सब एस्टाब्लिशमेंट जी आमको दरमा पत्र दौरान से सब दाबी करेंगे कह फिलोसोफर कौन कर फिलोसोफर कौन कर पचारा बेलू प्रोफेसर सुदांत राय कथा मोर मन पड़े रेभेन्सा महाविद्यालय आनुआल फंक्शन चलती सन्ध्या बेले प्रोफेसर महेंद्र राउत हूँ प्रिंसिपल ये कथा सुदांत राय शुणी सर गोटे सभा महेंद्र राउत हूँ प्रिंसिपल आनुआल फंक्शन चलती लाइट पलैगला अन्य मैंने जानते गपटा तार विभिन्न कलरिंग रे जानते से किंतु कथाटा मुझे शुणी जो मैंने सब मीटिंग चार्ज रे सीनियर प्रोफेसर से दौड़ धाँ कले केमती कोट लाइट आसो स्टेज केमती आलोकित हम ऑडियंस माने केमती बसवे गंडगोल न कर लगी पड़े इतिमध्य प्रोफेसर राय सहित प्रोफेसर राउत देखागला से मीटिंग भितर कह फिलोसोफर कौन कर क्षेत्र जो मैंने सब तो वस्तु विशारद से सब वस्तु संग्रह लगी फिलोसफी कौन कर अंधार होगा अंधार मुकाबला करने प्रोफेसर राय कहले से माने अंधार को दूर करने चेष्टा कर फिलोसोफर एक अंधार को किपरि एंड्योर करियो पड़ो अंधार को आलोक परी एक गिविंग जिनिस दत्त वस्तु तापर धरी नहीं इच्छा भाई कि संभाली कार्य करियो पड़ो ठीक तेणुक जो इंपैक्ट कथा पड़ा सब बेले फिलोसफी कार्य कौन समाज प्रति तार अवदान कौन ये दाबी सब बेले पूर्व तो कहली जमी साइंस वस्तु मान सृष्टि कर वस्तु मान को अवधारण करने जो भाव दरकार तार फर्मुला से सृष्टि करुच्ची फिलोसोफर सेपर किसी करे नाही फिलोसफी ये होची गोटे एक्टिविटी एवं एक्टिविटी क्लासिफिकेशन फिलोसफी कौन करूची मोर ए कथा मन को रेस्ट्रिक्शन पचारुची कौन करूची तो मोर से हाथी पद्मवन कथा मो मन को आछे हाथी पद्मवन को दलन कला परी एमाने एकाडेमिक्स को विशेषकर एकाडेमिक्स ऑफ फिलोसफी को से माने दलन करती किंतु बेले बेले जमी हाथी गोटे पद्म चयन करी सुंदर नहीं विष्णु को भेटी दिए एमाने ता भी करती तेणुक पॉलिसी मेकर मानकर दाबी तो रही फिलोसोफर मानकर से विषय रेस्पॉन्स भी रही मन थी जॉन लॉक तांकर एसे कंसर्निंग ह्यूमन अंडरस्टैंडिंग रे गोटे एपिसोड टू द रीडर गोटे सामिल कर एपिसोड टू द रीडर माने पाठक मान गोटे चिठी से एपिसोड टू द रीडर रे से परिष्कार भाव लिखित कथा The commonwealth of learning is not at this time without master builders. देखो लक्ष्य करूँ भाषा एवं जहाँ सब कहली साइंस एवं फिलोसफी विषय रे सेटा केमती रिफ्लेक्टेड होइछ The commonwealth of learning is not at this time without master builders whose mighty designs in advancing the sciences will leave lasting monuments to the admiration of posterity. But everyone must not hope to be a Boyle BOLE scientist jane or a Sydenham scientist au jane, and in the age that produces such masters as the great Hoy Jr. and the incomparable Mr. Newton with some others of that strain. जो लाइन टी बर्तन पढ़ी से बहुत important. It is ambition enough to be employed as an under laborer in clearing the ground a little and removing some of the rubbish that lies in the way to knowledge. तेणुकर साइंटिस्ट माने जो नॉलेज पाइबा चेष्टा करछन्ती जो ट्रुथ जगत विषय रे पाइबा चेष्टा करछन्ती तांको पथरे जा किछि बाधा विघ्न अछि ताकू टिके दूर करिबा तांको बाट टिके पहरी दबा होछि फिलोसोफर रो काम एटी जाना पड़े फिलोसफी रो कोन झाड़ुदार काम ना कोन ये विनय भाव कहते किंतु प्रकृति फिलोसफर ताही करुच्ची आम तो कड़ा भाषा कहूँ से कहले अंडर लेबर आम तो कहूँ क्रिटिक ऑफ अदर मोड्स ऑफ थॉट इट इज द क्रिटिक ऑफ द साइंसेस एंड इट इज द क्रिटिक ऑफ ऑल अदर स्टडीज दैट ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैव डिवाइस्ड टू एनी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड स्टडी देयर इज ए फिलोसफी टू इट सो फिलोसफी इज नॉट ट्रीटेड इन द सिंगुलर philosophy is treated in the plural. So what is philosophy पचला तो सब बड़े पचरे पड़ो कि what is philosophy of something, what is philosophy of mathematics, what is philosophy of science, what is philosophy of art, what is philosophy of technology, what is philosophy of economics, what is philosophy of religion, what is philosophy of social sciences, what is philosophy of medicine, like this and like that. ये भले और पचरे पड़ो. So with every organized discipline is associated the philosophy of that discipline. तेणुकर एठी what the philosopher is doing a प्रश्न पचाला बेलू आम कह चाहिए he is clearing the ground a little. I mean he keeps clean the recording and the retrieving function of the motherboard of mind. Mind जो motherboard अच्छी if I put it in the machine idiom जो mind जो motherboard टा अच्छी ताकू clean कर रखा होची philosopher का काम. Principal Warden spoke about the meaningfulness of life. Searching the meaning of life outside life. It is there was a time when the meaning of life was being sought outside of life in a theological being, God. God gives meaning to life. Then with the enlightenment, the scenario changed. And the meaning was thought in the sciences. Science gives meaning to life. आपको जब हम भलो भाव पर्यालोचना करवा देखा साइंस नुहे रिलीजन नुहे कहारी कहवाटा केबे हेले फाइनल नुहे फिलोसफी बरং तार डेफिनिशन स्कोप एवं लिमिट यहाँ धार्य करिबारे एवं से सब को निज निज पथर आगे नबारे ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିଥାଏ। ତେଣୁକରି ମୁଁ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବି ଯେ philosophy, the meaning of life is sought with the help of the philosopher, not with the help of scientists. Might be that will be sought, but with the limited aim and with a limited dimension. ଏଠି କହିକିରି ଆମର ଯୋଉ ବାକି ରହିଲା ବକ୍ତବ୍ୟ ତାକୁ ସମାପ୍ତ କରିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବା। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କରୋନା ସିଣ୍ଡ୍ରୋମରେ ଯୋଉ ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ ଆମେ ଏକାଠି ହେଇପାରୁନେ, ଯାଇକିରି ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲାଉଡ୍ ଚେମ୍ବରରେ ବସିକିରି ଏ ଆଲୋଚନା ସଭା କରୁଛେ, ବିଚିତ୍ର ପରିସ୍ଥିତି ଗୋଟେ, ଯୋଉଠିକି ଆମେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଭାବରେ ତଳିତଳାନ୍ତ ହେଲୁଣି। ଆମର ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ, ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପଲ୍, ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ପରମ୍ପରା ସବୁ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଯାଇଛି ଏବଂ ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ମୋବିଲାଇଜ ହେଇକରି କରୋନାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଶତ୍ରୁ ଭାବିକିରି ତା ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ କରୁଛୁ। କରୋନା ୱାର ଏଗେନ୍ଷ୍ଟ କରୋନା ଏବଂ ଆମେ ସବୁ କରୋନା ୱାରିୟର ଏଇଭଳି ଭାବରେ ଚିତ୍ର କରାଯାଉଛି ଏଣ୍ଟାୟାର ସିନାରିଓ। So all resources, material, mental and moral, which are at the command of the human race, are mobilized to wage a war against coronavirus for the very survival of the species on the planet. What is of utmost concern is that it has gnawed, GNAWD, it has gnawed into humanness the attributes that give an animal the status of a human being. What is important is that life must go on. Course of living must continue, and the aspiration of living with a purpose also must persist. Man must lead a dignified life. A dignified life is a life without cares and anxiety, torments and torture, overwork and no work, seclusion and coercion. It is a life of happiness, good life. In a poem entitled Leisure, the poet W.H. Davies sings, "A poor life disease is full of care. We have no time to stand and stare." In the vision of the poet, leisure is a necessary facet of good life. Alexander Pope, in his Ode on Solitude, writes like this: "Happy the man whose wish and care a few paternal acres bound, blessed who can unconcernedly find hours, days and years slide soft away in health of body, peace of mind, quiet by day, sound sleep by night, study and ease, together mixed, sweet recreation and innocence, which most does please with meditation." Having limited wish and care, a healthy body, peace of mind, sound sleep, hours of study, ease, leisure, recreation, meditation, self-dependence, incurring no loan, doing no harm to others, non-covetousness, freedom from malice, helping others in need, serving laborers as one would like to be served by, are regarded as qualifications for good life. In Western ethics, happiness or pleasure is regarded as one of the benchmarks of judging a human action as moral. If a given action maximizes pleasure and minimizes pain, then it is adjudged as good. This theory goes under the title of hedonism. In Greek, hedon means pleasure. Pleasure is regarded as the only intrinsic good. No one says, "I want to be happy because dash and dash." This sentence cannot be completed. If you could possibly complete it and give a reason for desiring to be happy, then happiness would not be the ultimate end. It would point to something beyond itself. There is the ethical theory of utilitarianism, according to which one should perform those actions which maximizes the aggregate good. Conjoining hedonism as a view as to what is good for people, utilitarianism results in the view that all actions to be directed towards achieving the greatest total amount of happiness. That is hedonistic calculus. It might be noted in passing that Jefferson understood happiness as something that was the same for all men, because it did not satisfy their individual variant wants, but satisfied their basic human common natural needs. Vyasa, the big brain, Vishala Buddhi, in the Yaksha Prashna, Yaksha asks and Yudhishthira answers in the Aranaya Parva within Vana Parva of the Mahabharata. Vyasa perceives that good behavior is the locus of happiness. Shilam, Nikapadam, Sukham. Renouncement of avaris makes men happy. Lobha hitva, Sukhi bhavet. Contentment is the best of all kinds of happiness. Sukhanam, Tushtihi, Uttama. And he who has many friends lives happily. Bohu mitrakaram, Sukham vasate. Yaksha then asks Yudhishthira as to which person could be said to be happy of Modate. In reply, Yudhishthira said, the person who cooks in his own house with scanty vegetables eaten on the 5th or 6th day of the week is free from debt and does not stay away from his home is happy indeed. Panchame ahani sastiva shakam pachati swe gruse androne cha aprabasi cha sabari chara modate. At the end, Yaksha, who reveals himself as Dharma incarnate, makes it clear that his body is constituted by Yasa, Satya, Dama, Saucha, Arjava, Vrihi, Achapalya, Dana, Tapa, and Brahmacharya. Whereas the doors to get into are Ahimsa, Samata, Shanti, Angrusam, and Asamatsara. We may call the former 10 as the structural and the latter 5 as the functional aspects of Dharma, which a happy man practices. When Dharma offered boons to Dharmaraja, his son, the latter begged of his father that he be always capable of conquering greed, infatuation, and anger, and intent on sacrifice, meditation, and truth. These are the attributes which confer on a geological species man the title of happy man. Happiness of man is within him. Out of ignorance, he searches it outside. As the Upanishads put it, the inherent nature of man is Ananda, bliss. Ananda is happiness, and more than that. Its nature is described in the Anandavalli of the Taittiriya Upanishad. Prajapati Brahma's description.
Sir, end up kariba tike. Sir, this shigro sariba.
Dood go side sarda 8 band karba.
Na apan conclusion karte.
करदवा तम तो इनफिनाइट टाइम नहीं आ तुम घरे बस असुविधा कौन कट जीव कि हम साधु जाओ पद पद कह पूर्व सरला बेले साधु बेस नेबी कहल तो आउ रखी प्रजापति ब्रह्मा's prescription for devas was the Danyatan, do not violate limits, behave. For Danavas, the Dayodham, be not violent, care. And for Manavas, the same day, Datta, do not devour all, care. And I want to say that this very da has been reflected in a poem, The Wasteland, by T.S. Eliot. This is the wisdom of the Brodharanaka Upanishad. Now, the wisdom of the Brodharanaka Upanishad is borrowed by T.S. Eliot in his The Wasteland, where he hears thunder, tick, the. He composed a poem on the plight of war-ravaged world. In the corona-ravaged society, the prescription from the same direction is be a man. Man कहले एठी मु मनुष्य ए अर्थ रे नै नै जोटा डिक्शनरी मीनिंग अभिधाय अर्थ तार मु ताकु नै छि बरं गोटा एक्रोनिम भाबरे M standing for modest, A standing for accommodative, and N standing for non-accusative. Be a man, that is be modest, be accommodative, and be non-accusative. The status of Manava is in between Deva and Danava. Deva stands predominantly for mental power and Danava for muscle and material power. Man may choose to act virtuously constantly. He attains Devatva, or if he acts viciously, irreversibly, he attains Danavatva. Choice is his. Yoga, acting with discipline, direction and discrimination, is the path to Devatva, and Bhoga, feeding and canning psychic and sensory inclinations, is the path to Danavatva. We all know the mythological story of the first man, Stanpada, inclined to ride, having two wives, Suniti, keeping to principles, ideals, values, dharma, yoga, and Suruchi, pleasure, passion, indulgence, adharma, bhoga. So, एपरी कथा थाई करी भगवती तार गोटे श्लोक नहीं सेटा होची सेटा मत सबुठ भल लागे जदि गोटे श्लोक रे एंटायर को एनकैप्सुलेट करिया कहियो ताले एई श्लोक रे मु उदाहरण देबी सेटा हला निर्माण मोहाजित संग दोषा अध्यात्म नित्य विनिवृत कामः द्वंद्वै विमुक्तः सुख दुख संगे वत्सन्ति अमरहाः पदम अव्ययम सत्य एटा को तापरे मु बुझे चेष्टा करथली बर्तमान तो समय नहीं एटा बुझे हबनी ए कथा एठी रहला जेति कहली सेति कहया पे सुजोग एवं समय दैथियारु देवदत्त मिश्र तांका प्रिंसिपल आम प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर मिश्र एवं अन्य समस्त साथी संगात को धन्यवाद जणाई वाणी को विराम देउछि धन्यवाद.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech. Now the time for interactive discussion. Any question, please? Any question, please? Oh, sorry. Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech. Any question, please, sir?
Yes, shall I ask a question?
Yes, sir. It's my pleasure.
So Professor Das, you have, we could not hear you properly about all the propositions you have mentioned. Still, one thing is coming to my mind that in the present situation, Habermas, you must have heard Habermas, you have read it. Habermas says he's identifying two types of action. One is a strategic action and other one is the communicative action. And I think the communicative action is the best type of action that which is the requirement of the present time, because it is the only type of action that actually tries to solve the perennial riddle of philosophy that we always used to discuss, that is myself and others. That means we try to think about others first, then we think about ourselves during the present scenario. But this was not so prior to this onslaught of coronavirus, and the situation was at that time we are giving more emphasis on the strategic action than on the communicative action. And to this, I think we can very well relate the person perspective, that we are persons because others recognize us as persons, and that person perspective is also suitable to this theory of communicative action of Habermas, the only living philosopher who is above 90, and he is still pursuing his philosophical speculations. And you can relate this with the Gita's concept of Lokasangraha, And there also we find that the benefit of others should come first in our mind than our own benefit. I think that much, and you can enlighten us on this issue.
Habermas's view is taking in long stride of Bhagavad Gita, not me but you, is always the ideal of the Bhagavad Gita and the Upanishads too. So Habermas is taken in stride by the philosophy of the Bhagavad Gita. No problem at all.
Thank you, thank you.
Sir, our question is Dhaneshwar sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
My feeling is I must thank our respected speaker, Dr. G.P. Das, for touching so many points and bringing so many issues in his deliberation. Perhaps to my mind, humanistic ideal is one of the important values of human society. Whether we speak it in that man is matter, man is spirit, or man is a man, the ideology behind it, as my friend Ranjit Babu pointed out, the humanistic vision of life is one of the highest ideals that humanity has to pursue. So far humanist ideal is concerned, perhaps in every culture or in every traditional society, there is an aberration from humanism. I was reading Ambedkar recently. Ambedkar has described the Indian situation in the pre-independent India. There are 7 lakhs villages, and go to any village of India, you find the majority caste Hindus torturing a microscopic few untouchables for generations, for centuries. Where was humanism? They are deprived of basic human rights. We speak very big things in our scriptures, in our traditions. Indian culture is this, Indian culture is that, Indian culture is spiritualistic, Indian philosophy is spiritualistic, but little bit of humanism is absent in our public life. Go to any village, you find how a minority few have been tortured, humiliated, deprived of basic human rights for centuries together, for generations together. So the basic concept of man is, and basic concept of a good culture is that where there is concern for human suffering, where there is a concern for human plight, human misery, but we are apathetic, mostly indifferent to human suffering, human misery, and in that scenario, humanism is concerned to be the highest ideal. There is an organization, International Humanist and Ethical Union. It has published a humanist manifesto some 30 years back, and one philosopher was its head, Paul Kurtz. When he was the chairman of International Humanist and Ethical Union, he drafted a humanist manifesto. What that should be the ideology the world to follow, that man is a basic concept, and if there is suffering in any part of human world, it is the suffering of humanity as a whole. And then he has also given 17 points for how humanism should be promoted all over the world, or in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights that was done in 1948, December 10, in United Nations. These are the highest values that for humanity to pursue all over the world. and perhaps they are true models or ideal models for humanity to pursue. So this is another dimension where humanism can be taken as one of the highest ideals, and on that basis we can evaluate cultures. This is my reaction while listening to the London speech of Professor J.P. Das and the comment of my friend Ranjit Ghosh. Thank you,
sir.
While reacting to the reaction, I would say one or two things. काली तो विषय में आलोचना कर सकती ह्यूमानिज्म कहले कौन सेटा गोटे बड़ नेबुलस टर्म गोटे 100 प्रकार ह्यूमानिज्म बाहर आलोचना कले जो प्रकार ह्यूमानिज्म बाहर ना कहीं ह्यूमन बीइंग को श्रद्धा करवा तार भल मंद बुझा सुख दुख भागी हवा एक कथा कौटी नाही बोली नुहे इवन देयर इज ए फॉर्म ऑफ रिलीजियस ह्यूमानिज्म जो रिलीजन अच्छी ह्यूमानिज्म भी अच्छी तेणुक आम जो गीता कनसेप्शन ह्यूमानिज्म जदि आम कहवा ताले ह्यूमानिज्म कथा आसबनी से ह्यूमान बदल गोटे भल शब्दटी अच्छी प्रजा प्रजा माने प्रकृष्टेन जायते इति प्रजा तो एवरी क्रिएटेड थिंग ह्यूमन बीइंग और नॉन ह्यूमन ऑल आर टेकन केयर अबाउट तेणुक केवल ह्यूमन बीइंग कथा घोषणा कले हेनी खाली मनुष्य रहा आउ के रही आउ के न रही मनुष्य तो रही सियाड़े गछ जंगल सियाड़े पर्वत पहाड़ नई नाल ताकू सब दूर कर मनीषटा गुरुत्व देथिबो तार किसी माने ही नहीं आउ गोटे कथा रहा कनसेप्चुअल लेवल कथा और फैक्चुअल लेवल कथा ये सब जो कथा ये तो कनसेप्चुअल लेवल अच्छी ही अच्छी इंडियन कल्चर भर्ती होकर अच्छी से रिलीजियस कल्चर हो कि नॉन रिलीजियस कल्चर हो तेज जब फैक्चुअली कोट कौन अभाव है तापाई कौन टीका एपर्त उद्भावन है जो लीडर रे पॉलिसी मेकर रे लीडर रे इम्ब्यूड ना आइडियल समाज से जो ह्यूमानिज्म कथा कहते ह्यूमानिज्म प्रतिष्ठा हो पार ना।
Thank you, sir. Now the time to introduce our second resource person. Our second resource person is Dr. Mohin Mohammad.